D to the I to the N-E-O. Dineo. Hello everyone, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to African threading on short 4C natural hair. So, if you're interested to know how, keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! You'll need ribbons, hair moisturizer, thread, wide tooth comb, rat tail comb, and some olive oil. Part your hair into different sections. I parted mine into 8. Now add moisture by applying some hair moisturizer. Comb your hair with a wide tooth comb starting from your ends. Then go in with your rat tail comb. Twist your hair in a circular motion and secure the thread on the base of your head. Wrap the thread around your hair base multiple times to ensure it is well secured. Continue the wrapping process until you reach your ends. Highly optional, but I cut any excess thread. Twist your hair in a circular motion and secure the thread on the base of your head. Do you see how I wrap the thread? This is to make the unraveling much simpler. Wrap the thread around your hair base multiple times to ensure it is well secured. Continue the wrapping process until you reach your ends. Your African threading should more or less look like this. Yeah, it's amazing how much length is hidden under that shrinkage. About 4 hours have passed now, and before the takedown, I'll apply some olive oil. And now for my favorite part, unraveling. Yo, I just think it's super cool how the thread effortlessly unravels itself. Well, would you look at that? People, do you see this length right now? Do not underestimate the shrinkage, hey? Now go on and style that hair to your heart's desire. And there you have it, how to African threading on short 4C natural hair.
So, would you be confident enough to rock this look as a protective hairstyle? Wow.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have you subscribed yet? If not, hit that red button so that you can see more content. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and share. Ciao!